Welcome to Around the Pit. Got the smoker heating up. We're going to try something I've never done before, smoked meatballs. Also trying a barbecue spaghetti, so you might want to try that video as well. All right, so what I have in here, we're going to get our hands dirty. I got 2 pounds of pork, ground pork, and 2 pounds of beef. Okay, in my little seasoning here, I got 1.5 tablespoons of pepper, 3 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, about a little less than a 1/4 cup of parsley, and a teaspoon of Lawry salt. All this will be in the recipe, the link description, I should say. So we're gonna get that all around there. In here we got a 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. I just chose plain for this one, and a 1/4 cup of minced onion instead of just chopping up an onion, which I probably should have done. Okay. And on that, we're going to add in Worcestershire sauce. We're going to put in 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Get that all around there. Okay. I'm going to crack 2 eggs. Eggs are expensive. Can't waste it. All right, some triple cheddar cheese. Just gonna sprinkle some of that in there, just so we have some cheesy meatballs. We want this to bind up. We don't want it to be kind of like hard. We want it to be kind of moist, I guess, if that's a good word. Gonna put in some barbecue sauce, whatever your favorite barbecue sauce is, just what I had in the fridge. And no more than probably a 1/2 cup barbecue sauce. And I got a 1/2 cup of beef bone broth, but I'm not gonna add all of it just yet. We'll make sure it's not too wet. You gotta get your hands dirty unless you want to get them gloves like some people do. I like to get my hands in there, mix it all up. And we're gonna make meatballs on the smoker, smoke them, see how well they come out. Like I said, we want it a little moist. So it kind of binds all those stuff together. Again, this is 2 pounds of pork, 2 pounds of hamburger. Okay, I think I will go ahead and use the rest of that. So that was a 1/2 cup of bone broth. I'm gonna do a combination of some mesquite and cherry, only because I'm gonna do some chicken as well, and we want some mesquite chicken for tonight. Okay, that's what that meat mixture looks like. And got another, I already got one in the smoker, or the racks in the smoker. I'm gonna put one on top of it, if that makes any sense. So we're just gonna ball these up in a cookie thing. Just using a cookie thing to help kind of ball them up. They ain't gonna be perfect. Definitely just don't want them to fall apart. Right, so I went away from that spoon because, and I already got 1 tray on. I think with the way that beef works, it's gonna shrink. I want my meatballs a little bigger, so I'm just rolling them in my palm here. Just set them on there nice and easy. Wow. hope these turn out good. So I'm compensating for the shrinkage that I expect to happen. I'm making them a little bigger. Means it's also going to take longer to cook, which is fine. Okay, there we go. Okay, I got to get my wood going. I got the heat going in there. I just got to get some wood going in there. All right. I don't know if you can see the meatballs that we put on there just a second ago that I got the smoke going. Yeah. Also got some chicken going. All right. There's the meatballs. Got them up to 165. They taste delicious. Definitely going in a recipe book. Definitely going to do this again, and it's a keeper. So there you go. Meatballs, smoked meatballs. There you go. Smoked meatballs. Turned out great. You can put them in pasta or whatever you're going to do with them, but we'll see you next time on Around the Pit.